Ba't ako?
Because you're gentleman.
No,
Daddy.
I'm not gentleman.
Ano ba yan? Quickly bihili. Parang tanga. Hello mga kacoolest! I'm Teacher Chris. I've been living and teaching in Thailand for 16 years. Tubo Mindoro, lahing Mangyan. Welcome to my channel!
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with. Let's take it.
Here you go.
Daddy.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, go Daddy.
Oho! Woo! Wala exhibition yung isa.
Papatalo ba ang Pilipinas? Yan na yun?
Are you ready?
Okay.
Huwag kang umanga ha. Makakainom kang tubig. It's liberating.
Liberating. Maganda ba so? Ang jump ko? Pangit? Bakit?
Mas maganda pa kahapon talon mo.
Careful.
naman siya. Wala talaga Pilipinas.
Be careful. Papansin. Pasikat. Walang bayad dyan, babe. It's free ha. You don't have a talent fee. Ito po ang beach tour part 2. So, kung na-miss nyo yung part 1, go back kasi napakaganda ng mga beaches dito sa Koh Kood. Papunta na kami sa isang beach na naman. So, ito ang baba ng bunga ng mga mangga. Ayan o, nakakatuwa. Woo! Ayan mga kacoolest. We were looking for Aujak Beach but we made a mistake. It was a very rough road. Mahirap siya. Tapos wala pala ang beach. So, na-false alarm kami. So, ayan mga kacoolest. We are on the way to Aujak Beach. So, medyo challenging yung daan. Kasi malubak. Hopefully, this is the right one. It should be.
Our second attempt.
Yes. Anyway guys, ito po ang Aujak Beach. Welcome, welcome. Napakaganda rin. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sila i-rate kasi lahat, they are all stunning. Enjoy the view of Aujak Beach, Koh Kood, Thailand. This island is really a paradise. It's green all around and developed so it maintains its natural beauty while offering the comforts of modern world. And mga kacoolest, you can do it for as low as 7,000 baht for 3 nights and 4 days. And that includes fare from Bangkok to Koh Kood, 2-way, and accommodation, 3 nights and 4 days, motorbike rental for 2 days, so you can tour around the island, and of course, food. And don't worry about the internet because almost all the resorts here in Koh Kood, whether high-end or budget-friendly accommodations, have free Wi-Fi. If you are sharing with a friend, you would spend as low as 5,000 baht. So, ano pang hinihintay niyo mga kacoolest? Tara na! Sa Aujak, marami rin silang mga duyan. Actually, parang ano ito ng Koh Kood, trademark. Maraming duyan sa mismong tubig, mismong beach, sa seashore. Tapos, ang dami nilang yung mga mini piers, yung talagang pang Instagram. So, ayan, ito, itatry ko. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! I need higher than that. Okay, we are heading to the next beach. Ay! Another beach, mga kacoolest. Ito po ay Tapaw Beach. Ayan. Medyo makulimlim ngayon, mga kacoolest. Kakatapos lang ng ulan. So kung makikita nyo, hindi siguro ganun ka-clear yung tubig. Pero during sunny day talaga, mga kacoolest, aray, napakalinaw din ng tubig dito sa Tapaw Beach. Kung nakikita nyo, the water is just right here. Pero kapag high tide po, which is like around 6 o'clock until 11 or 12 at noon, ang tubig po dito ay actually hanggang dito. malalim siya. Pero ngayon, alas 4 ng hapon, 4 p.m., low tide na po. Kanina dapat nag-shoot ng umaga, kaya lang, na-late kami dito kasi nga marami kaming pinuntahang mga iba't ibang beaches. Enjoy the view!
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah, I can show you.
Destination na tayo! So right now mga kakules, naandito po tayo ngayon sa KHLONGCHAU Beach. Actually, this is supposed to be the longest beach here in Koh Kood. So guys, mga kakules, enjoy the view. Habang ako naman ay dumuduyan-duyan. And don't forget, mga kakules, an added bonus to the tranquility of the island are the 3 stunning waterfalls. No travel destination is perfect, but Koh Kood, in my opinion, is about as close as you can get. Another beach, eto medyo maliit. It's Ngamko Beach. It's a very nice beach, mga kakules, pero I don't think it's very comfy to swim in.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.
This is Analay Beach, mga kakules. I think this is the most secluded and most quiet part of Koh Kood. Lahat naman po ng mga beaches dito sa Koh Kood, lahat magaganda and lahat tahimik kasi nga less yung tourist dito. Sana lang mapanatili iyon kasi that's the reason why I fell in love with this island. So, of course, save the best for last, charot. So, ito po, last beach. This is Bangbao Beach, where we are staying. Ito po, napakaganda rin, long stretch of beach. Pero yung other side po niya, which is also part of Bangbao, medyo mabato, pero maganda pa rin naman kasi maraming mini piers na pwede kayong ay mga Instagrammable photos. So, eto guys, kitang-kita nyo naman, the water is, again, pristine, clear, crystal clear. Ano pa? This is Bangbao Beach at its finest, mga kakules. The beaches are undeniably beautiful. Pristine water, white soft sand, with an all-around quiet setting because it's visited by less tourists, which is really good. Kasi napaka-ganda, napaka-linis tingnan. Actually, mga kakules, last November, the water was a lot clearer. Kasi that time, it was sunny. But right now, it's April, medyo napaaga ang rainy season. So since we got here, it's been raining every night. But still, mga kakules, as you can see, the beaches, the island itself, it's still very stunning. Grabe ganda. Kaya naman, I love you, Koh Kood! Living the dream! Living the life! So, ang hirap mamili, mga kakules, which one is the best beach in Koh Kood? Kasi halos lahat pare-pareho para sa aking opinion. Ang hirap pumili ng top 1. So I guess, for Instagrammable photos, para sa akin, ang top 1 ko ay Bangbao Beach. Ngayon mga kakules, tatanungin ko ang aking asawa and my friend Billy, kung ano ang paborito nilang beach dito sa Koh Kood. We've been to a lot of beaches. What's your favorite one? Just give me your top one.
Actually, don't get me wrong, lahat ng beaches dito maganda. Pero ang pinakagusto ko yung Ao Beach. Kasi, not because mahaba yung White Sand Beach niya. Maganda yung sunset kasi gusto ko yung ano eh. I'm a sunset chaser. My first choice would always be Ao
Beach.
Ao
How about you, honey? What's your favorite beach
You
in
know
Koh Kood?
mine. What's mine? If I had to pick a top one, if someone said, buy this beach, it would be KHLONG.
Because?
The layout of the resort there is very secluded, very clean. They've manicured their grasses, and you have a great restaurant. The food's good. The beer's cold. I just like it. It's secluded. It's beautiful. It's
But it's difficult to get to.
okay, but we have a motorbike. We can get there.
Okay.
So I mean, it just honestly, these are very long stretches of beach. That was a kind of small piece, but it was wide beach. It had a nice little river inlet, and the ambiance of it was beautiful.
Okay.
That was my choice.
If you're going to pick your top one,
Here.
Bangbao?
Mas maganda dito.
I'm really now convinced na itong pinakamagandang isla sa Thailand.
Ang galing! Philippines!
Super convinced.
How's that hole coming along? You got a poop?
Ang sarap.
Teka lang. Lumubog to, edi.
Hindi na paddleboard to. Tatamaan pa ako sa mukha ng paddleboard eh. Paddle! Wala kwenta itong paddleboard na natin. There's some turbulence. Turbulence.
Whatever stance is comfortable for you, that's fine. Just, you want to do one and then two, and then one. Hand here, and you can see it almost actually is perfect for you. Now, yes, that's going to be the outside, this is the inside. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Yeah, if you need to go right, you're going to paddle on your left. If you need to go left, you paddle on your right. Woo! Don't bend over like that. You're not 80 years old. Stand up. Other way, there you go.
Di rin naman siya.
Guys, you're supposed to actually put your feet left and right.
Ang galing ito na.
You couldn't even stand. That's it mga kacoolest! Please don't forget to hit like, comment down below, and subscribe! Look at the beach! Ang saya-saya, ang ganda-ganda! Oh, one more! You too, Daddy! You too! Go! Go! Oh! Oh, basta! 1, 2, 3! Woo! Woo! Thank you for watching!